What up, though, homies and homies? It's your homeboy G.Tizzle. Welcome back to the lab. And guess what? That's right. I ain't even got to say it. I'm back, new jack. All right, man. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So let me break it down what I'm doing today. So what I'm doing today is coming up with some music for my new cartoon channel. Yes, cartoons. That's right. That's what's the money at. Good money at. And I figure I'll stick my little toes in it. And today is going to be in particular, what I'm going to talk about is utilizing some samples at minimum while being abundantly productive. So to help you to understand or reach your head around what I'm talking about, I have to show you better than I can tell you. So, and also we're going to be actually utilizing AI. And I'm going to show you a really good AI tool that I use. And why we're using AI? Because I'm not a kid. However, I need a kid's voice for a kid's cartoon channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get off into it. So the tempo is going to be 160, and I chose a title called Don't Want to Be Bullied No More. And with that said, let's go ahead and start utilizing and implementing the samples. Now, I got a course where I get way more in depth on sample use and why you should use sample, especially nowadays. Back in the day, I probably wouldn't promote it, but today I definitely promote it. Why? Because content right now is king, unfortunately. And if you take too long to put together production and things like that, you may get left behind and this, that, and the other. And this is going to be a big problem for you. All right, don't be a bully. So we're going to go ahead and use the samples here. And we're going to use a drum sample. And we're going to use my infamous cymatic sample. And oh yeah, for the record, yeah, I got samples for y'all in the course. The link is in the description. So let's go ahead and listen to this. Now, what I did for all of my for all of the production that I do, I listen to what's already working out there. You know, ain't no sense in need reinventing the wheel. So with that being said, let's go ahead and finish this up. So we got this. And I already got the melody in my head. All right, so let's go ahead and import another file. We want to import the drum loop. Boom, okay, we got the drum loop down here. And let's put it together. So look, we're halfway there. Now listen, this is what I want y'all to really pay attention to. The speediness of the production. And again, we gotta move fast because we can't be waiting all month for content, right? And then I'm gonna show y'all. I use this software here. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna show you the software. I'm just gonna display a little bit of the videos that I had already created using Cartoon Animator 5. I'll cancel that. All right, so here we are. We 5 minutes into the session, and guess what? Now, we on to something. Now, to complete this track, and when I say complete, I mean the fullness of the foundation of the music, is to add our bass line. All right, fam, I found a bass pattern that I'm going to use, so let's go ahead and lay that down. All right, we could just go ahead and copy that. And that's basically it. So now let's listen back, right? Check this out. Now, I already hear the melody in my head. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make a melody. I'm going to play a melody for the source. Okay, let's go ahead and lay that down. Okay, we can just repeat that. All right, let's listen and see what we got collectively. All right, so now, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't beat me up because I'm using samples, because y'all already know how I get it in, baby. Trying to play me like I'm a sucker, man. I ain't no sucker, man. All right, but check it out. Let's go ahead and lay down some vocals. I hope I say these lyrics. There we go. Yo, I don't want to be bullied no more. I just want to come up with the right way. We can get along and let's ignore. And I ain't come up with the rest, but we're going to come up with it together. But let's go ahead and lay that down. Okay, so here is a few things that I think about when I'm laying down vocals for AI. So let me pause this real quick because I'm going to bring AI up for a sec. Okay, guys, so here is the AI software I use. Sorry about my phone. My battery about to die. Man, it just keep making noise. So anyway, I use Audimee. It's a lot out there, but I tested a few of them, and I came across Audimee, and so far it has the best quality in my opinion. It could be someone more out there, but this sounded pretty good to me. And I have a link for you. You get a free demo or a trial or something like that. And y'all might as well go ahead and use my link. Use my link, man, so I could be the one to get paid, man. Don't go to their thing. No, I'm just kidding. But it's up to you, man. I got the link in the description. Go check it out. Go get the free version. Play around with it yourself. And if you're interested, go ahead and sign up. Join up. And you will be supporting my channel because, you know what I mean, I need this boy, you know what I mean, HBO special helper brother out. But anywho, let me show you real quick the library. Okay, here we go. You see I'm signed in. I got 48 minutes left. I had an hour, and I was playing around with it. And so I'm logged in here. So if we click this, we can go to My Voices, and then you can see this is my granddaughter. So what I did was I input her vocals, her voice, into Audimee. And I'm going to play some things real quick so you can hear what I did.
I don't want to keep bullying no more. I don't want to know that I am, and it's and so much more, and I'll ignore.
Now we're going to do more tutorials, and I'm going to show you the best approach to do this. But for this in particular, and I got a deep raspy voice. Fortunately, she's from me, my granddaughter, so she will actually sound like me, but I have to pitch her. Okay, y'all, this is a little bit of the process before we go further. I'm trying to look for something that rhymes with ignore. So let's put ignore, and let's see what the rhyme dictionary gives us. I mean, of course, I can AI it, but you know what I mean? A shore. We can store. You know what I mean? We can go to the store. Let's go back candy at the store. Let's not go to war. Let's go get candy from the store. You know, door for abhor. The kids don't use abhor. Adore. I like adore. All right, so you get where I'm coming from. I'm trying to find something, y'all. Jeez. See, I found something. Yo, I don't want to be bullied no more. I just want to come up with the right way. We can get along and let's not war. Be friends like we were before. Ha 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 ha. Let's lay it down, baby. Yo, I don't want to be bullied no more. I just want to come up with the right way. We can get along and let's not war. Be friends like we were before. Okay, and before probably can just be looped. But let's listen back. All right, you know what I'm saying? We'll see how this turned out. It could have been cleaner. So a few practices is let's listen to this solo real quick and see if it's something needs cleaning up or not. Yo. Yeah, it is. I don't want to be bullied no more. So I took the box out. I just want to come up with the right way. We can get along and let's not war. Be friends like we were before. Okay, and that's okay. We can work with that, but I like to clean up a little bit of the, keys. Yo, I don't wanna be bullied no more. And I don't put a lot of emphasis on it, right? Because you'll hear artifacts. So I don't over process it. I don't over perfect the melodies and things like that. But I do a little bit, just a little bit. So then what I do, right click, bounce clip to disk, boom. Then we say bully T vocals, right? Bully T vocals, right? And then remember it said bully T samples. Okay, remember where it's at. Hit save. Okay. Then we go over to Udemy. All right, now we got Udemy, and then we click add, and then we go here and find our vocals. I'm clicking T bully vocals, and that's going to load it in there. Once it's loaded in there, yo, I don't want to be bullied no more. I just want to come up with the right way. We can get along and let's not war. Be friends like we were before. We were never friends. Let's turn this up to 12 because she's a kid, and we need the opposite pitch. Of course, we need an octave up from my vocals, right? Now that's the cleanest way to do it. As far as this here, I like to put it at like somewhere between 50 and 70. You start going too high, you get artifacts. You go too low, it's not enough. So I like to play around. I'm gonna do 60, and then we're gonna do 12 octaves, right? And we got my grand dots, and then we're gonna hit convert. If you look over here, you'll see that it spent a few seconds. I like to preserve as much time as I possibly can, because if I'm trying to do, you know what I'm saying, 20 songs, then I need as much time as possible. So now it's rendered. Let's play it back, see what we got.
Yo, I don't want to be bullied no more. I just want to come up with the right way. We can get along and let's not bore. Be friends like we were before.
Now, I will go in there and clean up the war because it sounds like she's saying bore. Sometimes the AI do that. However, what y'all think about how that sound? Don't that sound good? That is my granddaughter's voice, fam. See, so that's the benefits of putting your regular voice and then shifting it using the shift. So let's go ahead and download this. And we have downloaded and samples instead of going through a whole lot. Because, y'all know how Reason is now. Reason make you got to import everything through, So I'm going to pull Reason over here, and then I'm going to drag and drop the download. Bam. Matter of fact, here, let me do this, y'all. I'm going to pull it, and I'm going to drag it under or over so we can have a whole nother track. And then we're going to match it up exactly. Boom. And then if you want, see if I think I got some EQ on there, so we can go ahead and delete me. And let's go ahead and just snap bar. Hold on, let me go ahead and get this back in place, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let's snap bar, and here, let's just snap it to bar. And then let's go ahead and push this there so I can just snap it in place. And let's take a listen to it.
Yo, I don't want to be bullied no more. I just want to come up with the right way. We can get along and let's not bore. Be friends like we were before.
Ain't that, hey man, this the new technology. I don't know what y'all doing on that side. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what you're doing on the other side of the speaker, on the other side of the TV, on the other side of the internet, but this is short of amazing to me. And this was quick. I mean, it took a little longer. It would take way longer than 30 minutes. I'm going to chop this down to maybe somewhere between 12 and 18 minutes, but check it out.
Yo, I don't want to be bullied no more.
Then you can do stuff like this.
I just want to.
Now watch it. Let me show y'all something. Let's take all of these. And let's shrink this here. Let's select them all. And then let's tighten up all of them to they can almost be auto-tuned. And watch what happens now. It sounds like two vocals.
Yo, I don't want to be bullied no more. I just want to come up with the right way. We can get along and let's not bore. Be friends like we were before.
You know what I'm talking about? Let's tighten it up a little bit, and then let's change the format to low. Too low.
Yo, I don't wanna be bullied no more. I just wanna come up with the right way.
And then we can go in there and see me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a fanatic. I like to tighten stuff up, man. So I'll go in there. Hold on, listen.
I just wanna come up with the right way.
Right there. So I'll be like, I don't want to come up with the right.
I just wanna come up with the right way.
You see what I'm saying? Because it just sounds so much more cuter and natural, right? Now keep in mind, y'all, this is for a kid's channel. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not for adults. However, adults can sit back and enjoy this melody.
I just wanna come up with the right way.
So now I can go in there, and if I really wanted to play around, hold on, let me make another copy. Let me Control D. I can go in there and let's go ahead and double click that. Let's hit the edit, and then let's zoom a little bit. Tight. No, here, watch this. Let's do this. Let's zoom in, and let's put this at a place.
Yo.
Ooh.
Yo, I don't wanna
I don't wanna believe in no more. You know what I mean?
Yo, I don't wanna be bullied no more.
No, I don't wanna be bullied no more. Sorry, y'all. Let's see.
I don't wanna be bullied no more.
Yeah, no more. You see what I'm saying, y'all? So I mean, what we did here is kind of just really took a simple melody, a drum, loop already there. We just added the bass line, and then we added the melody, then we added the singing, and we at the end of the day, we came up with this.
Yo, I don't wanna be bullied no more. I just wanna come up with the right way. We can get along and let's not bore. Be friends like we were before.
Now that coupled with the cartoon, and of course, I'll show y'all how to do the make cartoons and Canva and things like that. You can do this all day long, and you can have your really decent channel, or very decent channel, or you can just do beats, or it's just so many different things that you can do. And I encourage you guys to do whatever you need to do to elevate your skills and levels, and go back to having fun. This is fun. Music is fun. Again, make America great again, make music fun again. And I think that this is what it was. And that wasn't a political thing. I'm not all into politics like that. I'm just using a quote that's popular. We need to make music fun again. That's it, fam. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned. I got more madness coming. Till the next time. See you in a minute. See you on a Spin It. Deuces.